Hey, hello friends. In today's video, I am going to show you a simple way to get a domain and a hosting for free without doing much. So let's start the video. First of all, you guys have to do one thing. You have to go to your browser and then in the search box, write Cloudflare, and when you type it there, you will see a website like this, Cloudflare, and you will see an interface like this. For example, for new users, they are not yet signed in. So if I open a Ignito mode and here I will click on Cloudflare. So you have to do one thing. You have to click on the yes start building for free, and here you have to log in your account. But I have already logged in, so I will click on the dashboard here. When you click on the dashboard, you will see an interface like this. So here what you have to do, you have to go in the left side is an option called compute. You have to click on compute, and here you have to click on WordPress and pages, and here you will see interface like this. As you can see, I have already created two websites here. First of all, I will create a website in DeepSeek AI using a single HTML file. I will give him a prompt, this AI a prompt saying like give me a single HTML file of tic-tac-toe, something like that, and let's wait for it to build me a HTML file so we can host it for free and also get a domain with it. So let's wait for it. All right, our HTML file is completed, so I will simply click on the download button at the top side. Click on download and I will rename it as index.html, and then I will save it in my desktop. As you can see here, my file is saved. Now I will go to the as 7-zip or WinRAR and convert this HTML file into a zip file. Then what I will do, I will go to Chrome again, and here I will create click on this one, create new development. Here you can see a lot of options. Most of the guys do with GitHub, continue with GitHub, but I will click on upload your static file because I already created HTML file. And upon clicking on this, I will go to my desktop and I will drag this file into this, and then I will name it as it is, or you can change your name here because it will show your domain like the name you have typed here. So I will click on the deploy button. It will take some time, so let's wait for it. Okay, the deployment is completed. As you can see interface here, I will simply click on this cross button because it is saying to pay or something, but I will use free. As you can see, here is the domain. If I click on it, you will see the website that I have created first. But I will click on this and you can see here the domain and hosting. I got it for free.